Dear followers, I like to drive motorbikes, in particular here in Pakistan. But we have to take some precautions. And the first rule is always to wear a helmet. There are 15,000 people dying on the roads of Pakistan every year. And in 80% of the car accidents, motorbikes are involved. So there are several rules you have to follow. The first one is really, apart from wearing the helmet, is always have a look at the intersections, what the car in front of you is doing. Sometimes they really change their course and they go in the other direction. The second one is, if you drive on a road, the car in front of you might have the idea to change lane and doesn't see you. And the third one is, never trust a parking car because they might open their doors. If you respect these fundamental rules and wear a helmet which can save your life, which can also prevent lifelong health hazards here, then I think you're much safer on the roads, and I wish all of us safe travels. But one last word. Wear a helmet, whether you are a man and a woman, and safety first here. Because I heard that many of, in particular the young people, they are afraid of their hair. So go to the hairdresser after the drive, but never forget to wear a helmet, even if it spoils your hair. So let's have safe trips.